Hello everyone. In this session, we'll discuss questions based on quadratic equations. In previous session, we discussed what are quadratic equations and nature of roots of quadratic equations. Please refer to previous parts of the tutorial before proceeding. In this session, we'll discuss questions based on nature of the roots. The first question is determine nature of the roots. As we know that nature of the roots depends on the value of discriminant, that is d value. First let us find out d value. D is nothing but b square minus 4ac. Here a is equals to 2, which is nothing but coefficient of x square. B is equals to minus 5, that is coefficient of x. C is nothing but constant. Its value is minus 3. Right? Substitute these values in discriminant d, that is equals to b square, that is minus 5 square minus 4 into a is 2 into c is minus 3. So this is equal to 25. Here minus of minus, it will become plus 4 into 2 into 3, which is nothing but 24. So that is equals to 25 plus 24, it's 49, right? And if you observe this is a perfect square and it is greater than 0. So when the roots are greater than 0 and inside the square root, if it is a perfect square, then we can say that roots are real, unequal and rational, right? Which we have discussed in our previous session, right? Now let's look into the second question. Determine nature of the roots. Given equation is x square minus 4x plus 4 is equals to 0. Let us find out discriminant here. A is equals to 1 and B is equals to minus 4 and C is equals to 4, right? So D is equals to B square minus 4AC. So that is equals to B square is minus 4 square minus 4 into A is 1 and C is 4. So this is 16 minus 16. So that means it is 0. When the discriminant is 0, the roots are real and equal, right? So roots are real. Let's solve question number 3. If you observe here, the pattern is repeating, right? So let x is equals to 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 2 and so on infinity. If you observe here, this is same as x. So that means in place of this, I can write it as x, right? So which implies x is equals to 2 plus 1 divided by x. On further simplification, it will be x square is equals to 2x plus 1, which implies x square minus 2x minus 1 is equals to 0. Now, in order to find out x value, let us use formula. That is, x is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, right? Here, a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 2, c is equals to minus 1. Let us substitute these values in the formula. So this will be equals to minus of minus 2 plus or minus square root of minus 2 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1 divided by 2 into 1. So this will be equals to 2 plus or minus square root of minus 2 square, it is 4, and this is minus of minus, it will be plus 4 divided by 2. So this is equals to 2 plus or minus square root of 8 divided by 2. As you know that square root of 8, we can write it as 2 root 2, right? So 2 plus or minus 2 root 2 divided by 2. By taking 2 as common, it will be 2 into 1 plus or minus root 2 divided by 2. Here we can cancel out 2, so which will be equals to 1 plus or minus root 2. These are the two values for the given question, right? Let's look into question number 4. If alpha and beta are roots of the equation x square minus 4x plus 3 is equals to 0, find the value of alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. So in order to solve this question, First, let us find out what is sum of the roots from the given equation. Equation is x square minus 4x plus 3 is equals to 0. As we know that sum of the roots, that is alpha plus beta, is nothing but b by a, right? It's minus b by a. So that means it is minus of, here it is minus 4 divided by a is coefficient of x square, that is 1. So its value is 4. Similarly, product of roots, that is alpha into beta, is c by a, that is nothing but 3 by 1, that is equals to 3, right? Now let us simplify the given question, that is alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. So this will be equals to, by taking LCM as alpha beta, this will become alpha square plus beta square. This further we can write it as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta divided by alpha into beta. Once we expand this, we will get it as alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. Here we have minus 2 alpha beta, so we can cancel out both of the terms. Then the resulting term is nothing but alpha square plus beta square. As we know alpha plus beta value, so we are replacing alpha square plus beta square in terms of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Right? Now substitute the value. Alpha plus beta is 4. So 4 square, which is nothing but 16, minus 2 into alpha into beta is 3. So 2 into 3, it is 6, divided by alpha into beta is 3. So this will be equals to 10 divided by 3. Right? Let us solve question number 5. The equation kx square minus 2kx plus k plus 1 is equals to 0 has equal roots. The value of k is. In order to find out the k value, it's given that the roots are equal. That means discriminant value is 0, right? So b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. First, let us find out this value. Here a is equals to k and b is equals to minus 2k and c is k plus 1. Let us substitute these values in this. So it is minus 2k whole square minus 4 into a is k into k plus 1. Let us simplify further. So this will be 4k square and here it is minus of 4k into k plus 1 k square plus k. This is equals to 0, right? So this will be equals to 4k square minus 4k square minus 4k. This is equals to 0. So here we can cancel out 4k square plus 4k square. So which implies 4k is equals to 0, that is nothing but k is equals to 0. So now when the roots are equal, we can equate discriminant to 0, right? In next session, we'll discuss questions based on word problems of quadratic equations. Thank you for listening and have a nice day.